Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Ignition Switch. This ignition switch is for many different Ford, Lincoln, Mazda, and Mercury cars, trucks, and SUVs, including the Ford Escape, F-150, 250, or 350, Mustang and Transit vans, Lincoln, MKS or MKX, Mazda Tribute with the automatic transmission, and Mercury Mariner, Mountaineer, or Sable. This part is found in many more applications, and years do vary per vehicle, so please check below to confirm fitment on your car, truck, or SUV. What your ignition switch does is it actually turns the main electrical system on and starts your vehicle when the key is turned. And over time, these switches wear out or are damaged, making it hard to impossible to start your vehicle. Additionally, sometimes these mechanisms can get stuck on, which cause battery draining issues. While this ignition switch is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish, as it was designed to be a direct OEM replacement with high quality construction throughout and the OEM plug. Additionally, the circuit in this has been redesigned for maximum reliability. Installation of these switches can be a bit tricky, as you may need specific tools, and the steering wheel plus airbag might need to come out. Because of this, a professional install is highly recommended. If you have any questions about this ignition switch, including if it fits your vehicle, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.